Okay, so we're looking at adding fractions. So if we have that problem there, I want you to add that problem.
Plus.
So you need to make sure that the denominator, the bottom number, is the same for both. So it may be able to change both numbers, or it might be just the one fraction. So you changed, or Anton, you changed your 2/8 to 1/4, didn't you?
Yep.
And then what did you change your other one to?
1/6.
Okay, is he correct?
Yes.
He is correct, because they're both the equivalent fractions of the ones above. But does it help him solve the problem?
No.
But it makes it
yes.
smaller, so
Yes, because then
it'll
it's
be easier to understand.
easier.
Okay.
Oh no, it doesn't.
It
So,
doesn't really help. You can just do it faster the other way.
Yeah.
so there's no, it does make it smaller and simpler, but it doesn't help with your solving the problem,
You can't
okay?
even
Because when you're adding fractions, you have to make sure that those two numbers at the bottom are the same. So whether it's 8 and 24 or 4 and 6, you still got to make it the same. So you're going to have to make those numbers bigger anyway, okay? So going back to the top one, obviously, can we make 24 into an 8?
Yep.
Okay, what would that be?
Divided by 3.
Divided by 3. Can we make 4 divided by 3?
No.
It
can only be done the opposite way.
So if you do 8 times
So you
3
turn
is
the 8 into the
24.
24. You turn the 8 into the
times
24.
3 is 24.
Yes, we turn the 8 into the 24.
Then you have to do
Then they'll-
6 times.
Oh, you're all talking over each other,
And
okay?
then 2 times 3, and that'll be 6. So that'll be 6, 24, plus 4, 24, and that'll equal 10, 24.
Okay, so
Same
yes, we
as
have
what I
10
got.
24. Can we simplify that?
Yeah, no.
No,
Yes.
it's just,
Yep.
Yeah, because then it can be
It can be
14.
12.
Oh, no.
It could be
it could be
12.
20, 48.
It can be 5.
12. It could
Hold
be
on,
5
hold on.
12.
Stop. If you're going to say, if I say simplify, it means you make it the smallest
5
possible
12s.
fraction, okay?
5 12.
So yes, as Trey said, 5 12s, because
I
2
said that.
goes
And I
into
said that.
both.
3.
Why could I put 3 down the bottom?
Because it can,
It's 9.
because 9 can go into 3.
Right, okay,
Yeah.
so let's do that
3
then.
can go into 9.
There you go, there's your... Who wants to have a go at explaining it?
Going on 9.
Not the answer, who wants to have a go at explaining it?
Times.
You do?
Okay.
Go on then.
Well,
My number's way too high.
you've got to times 3 by 9 to make 27. And then, so you have to times 9 by 9. And then that equals 81 and then plus 3.
So 84 over 27,
Yeah.
Yeah.
okay.
That's what I've got.
Can we simplify that?
You can make it, you can't.
Wait.
No, you can't simplify it
Wait,
because
yeah.
the multiples of 27 are 1, 3, 9 and 27. Those are the only numbers multiplied together, 3 times 9 and 1 times 27, that make 27.
Yeah.
And none of those fit into 84.
Could I explain
Yeah.
one?
So it's
Yep.
27.
Okay. Okay. So that makes it 3. That makes it
That,
that makes
Yeah.
it 3. Okay. Then that is 1/9. So 3 and 1/9.
okay, so you're
That's
saying
my
that's 1/9.
Yep. And that is
Yep.
3.
3 and 1/9, that's correct too, because he's just simplified that and he just turned that into a whole number.
That's true.
Okay, so that is the same as that.
Whoa,
Well done, Anton.
see, mine's the same as yours.
Told you were that.
Was 6.
You want to turn that into 3/24 to 1/8, is that right?
Yeah.
Does everyone agree with that?
Yes.
Okay, is that what you're doing?
Yep.
3/24 you'll turn to 1/8.
Yes.
No, what I did is I did 8 times 5 is 40, so 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2 is 1.
I did 1/20th plus 1/2 plus 1/8.
Okay, we'll go with this one to start with. So some people said
call it
3/28
3
is the same as 1/8.
Yeah.
So far, Nelson, this way, plus something plus 1/8. So we've got two numbers that are an 8, which is good. But if we do this one,
You can times 8 to get to 5 times to get to 40.
you're not
I
you
really need
divide
my
it by
main
5.
generator right now.
Oh, you want to make that a 40?
Yeah. You can
Okay,
make 8
alright,
into
so
40.
let's multiply that by 5. Equals 40. So that equals 5.
Yeah.
5 times 1. Do we agree?
Yeah.
Yep.
I can't
Okay.
really see.
We'll move so that you can, Shay. 8 times 5 is 40.
Yeah.
4 times 5 is 20.
Yes.
Okay,
So,
so what have we got so far?
so
We've got 20 40ths.
That's the same as 1/2.
Yep, which is what we've got there.
That's what I
You've
said.
got 2 40ths, which is that bit there. And you've got 5 40ths.
It
So
could
how many
also be.
40ths have we got altogether?
27.
We've got
22 40ths.
27
It can
40ths.
also be done as 1/20th plus
and it could be
What are you trying to do, Jaden?
you can't. Oh,
Doesn't matter.
you can.
I thought
it was 12.
Okay, so if we have that number there, what can we change it to 52?
yes.
Can we change it to 26?
Yes. You double
Right, so
that
they're
and you triple that.
all multiples, right? So let's try this one first. If we're going to make that 52, what's the top number going to be, Jaden?
The top numbers going.
Because we multiplied that by 4
16 plus
to get 52.
The top number is going to be 16.
Okay. Right, Tavius, can we make that 52?
Yeah.
Mr.
Okay. Anton, just listen. So Tavius, what do we do to the top number up here?
We make it into.
If you made 26 52, what did you do to the 26 to get to 52?
I got it.
You do that times 2.
Okay, so would you do times 2 at the top as well?
2 times 3,
Okay,
which is 6.
okay, and then we've got all 52s there, right?
Yep.
So Anton, how many 52s have we got?
24.
Add them up again.
30.
30.
We've got 30 over 52. Now, can we simplify that, make it smaller?
You can make it 15.
15 over 26.
15 of, yeah.
Okay, can we make it smaller?
None.
Yes, we
Oh,
can.
yes.
But
13. No, we can't.
No, we can't because
No,
that's not an even number. It's an odd number, and then
Well done. Awesome. Okay, so we did it that way. If we made these all 26s, so we made this number here at 26,
you had to times it by 2.
times it by 2, so the top number becomes...
wouldn't that be the same
8.
as that number? Would be the answer.
Yep, it should be exactly the same.
Yeah.
Okay, so that number, how do we get that to 26, Dean?
Oh.
You take off 26.
Okay, but we're not going to take off, we're going to divide, because we're doing multiplication and division.
Divided by 2.
Okay, so if we divide that by 2 to get there, we divide that by 2, we get
4.
4. And how many 26s have we? How many 26s have we got in total?
Oh, we've got
8 plus 3 plus 4 is 7 and 8 equals 15.
Which, funny enough, is the same as the one down there.
What if we do it in 13?
And then
Okay.
you can't do it in 13.
Why can't we do it in 13?
Oh, wait, yes, we can. Oh,
They're all multiples.
because.
They're all
multiple.
Because
Oh, yeah,
13
we
plus
could.
13 equals 26. And
Yeah, we
13 plus 13 plus 13.
Oh, yeah, we could, and then
Plus
that will make it the
Okay.
smallest.
Going back to this, if we make that 13, we're going to divide it by 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so if we divide that, it's the same as 2 13ths.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, if we divide that by what to get to 13?
2.
But
Can
you
we
can't.
divide 3 by 2?
No.
No.
No, you
No.
can't.
Oh, so
Okay?
that doesn't
So
work.
you can't. So what do you notice about the pattern? We've done a few of them now where we can't divide certain ones. What are the ones we can't divide normally?
The ones that are lower than 5 normally.
Ones that are,
ones that are uneven,
The ones that are
Yep.
odds.
uneven numbers.
Yep.
Uneven.
Which is
That's why we could do
Okay,
that.
so the odd ones you can't generally change.
Divide. Oh, you
But
can't do that because you
Sometimes you can,
couldn't
but
divide.
most of the time you can't.
You couldn't make that one smaller.
If you're
so you
trying to
couldn't do
times
that
them,
one.
you just leave them the same.
Pardon?
If you're trying to times them, you just leave them the same though.
No, whatever you do at the bottom, you have to do the top.
Oh, so if you could do the 13, then you
so-
could have made that smaller.
Oh,
Yeah,
you're saying.
that's
yeah,
right.
Oh, yeah, I
Exactly
get it.
right.
I get it now. I
Yep.
get it. I get it.
Yep. All right.
There's a never-ending amount of